Hello friends, it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing a Mcfarlane Toys, Page Punchers, Hasbro, G.I. Joe, Cobra Commander, and Crimson Guard with 2 comic books. They also come with a special comic stand, it looks like. And now let's open it. Now there's a bunch of little page punchers like these guys, of Spawn and Batman, and also more G.I. Joes and Transformers. Now these guys don't come with any cards, they come with comics instead. There's also giant page punchers of DC guys. That come with comics and cards. And classic Snake Eyes right here, just like a little cardboard piece. Alright, the stand comes apart for some reason. Is this bookmark? Okay. Alright, so one comic at a time. Ooh, Cobra Commander. Alright. Oh yeah. Instructions for how to build the comic stand. So that is what that was. Instructions. That could also be a bookmark. Alright. So, Crimson Guard. Then Cobra Commander. He has the thing on his back that holds his gun. And then we have G.I. Joe Annual 2012 with the Crimson Guard in it. This is IDW. And then G.I. Joe issue 267 with Cobra Commander on it. And another IDW one. And then the comic stand. Special G.I. Joe comic stand. There. And then you can put Cobra Commander here. And then the Crimson Guard there. Hold the comic and the 2 figures. Too bad you can only see 1 comic on the comic stand. Oh yeah, and then the Snake Eyes bookmark, which has the instructions to build the comic. But it also is like, use me as a bookmark. So that's pretty cool that you get your own Mcfarlane toy Snake Eyes bookmark if you get one of these. So I rate this a 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups. It's pretty cool. Cobra Commander is the best one. Although the Crimson Guard also looks pretty cool. They're also very detailed for how tiny they are. So 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups. So friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media, Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp, $, Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.